Yvette, Artera, Zara, Azami, Cynthia, Ablawi, Anna, Abad, Andres, and Olga, Guadalupe, Jesus, Jesus,
Jesus,
Abad, Pedro, Vasquez, Jose, Abad, Zutra, Luz, Abad, Mark, Abad, Raphael, Doctor, Abad, Letizes, Abadar, Mored, Abadia, Carlos, and Sandros, Luz, Eve, Tyson, B, Yadira, Arbadilu, Abak, B-Roll, Abak, Clement, Abalo, Claudia, Eric, Abalos, Esperanza, Abalos, Kim, Abalas, Vilma, Abanel, Eric, Abap, B.A., Abap, Bo, M, Abray, Robert A. and April, Robert and Diane. It's got a lot of girls. Scott, Abra, Carlos, E. Maria, Patricia, Nelson, Abra, Gary, Z, and Monica, H.S. S. Tammy, Abigail, Kim, Joel, Michael, Sandra, Roberto, Avis, A. Haroon, Abisari, Ahmed, Abate, Claude, Donald R. Edmund, Evan, George, William, Mary, Michael, Lucia, Abad, Valerie, Abad, E.K., Abad, Telepeter, Abad, Dimitros, Abad, Odette, Bomber, Muhammad, Abisad, Muhammad, Abedisa, Karen, Abedlo, A.L. Preston, Abar, Samuel, Abaraju, Sivakar.
Lauren, stop.
What kind of people have names?
Weird people. I don't know. Oh my.
These are Heidi.
Read this one. Paper products, pony rides, paper supplies.
Oh my
Time
god.
to plan the big blowout.
Look at this picture of me.
I'm like crying
Look at
because
the
this is what
fan.
happens when I sing. I cry.
Really?
Because it's so beautiful.
Several ideas to make your party a success. Paper products, pony rides, party supplies, tents, caterers, clowns, magicians. Oh wow!
Oh my god, Lauren, I love you.